So this is like a really bad business decision, but prototypes are basically free on Teleport. So if you go into Teleport, over on the side is a little light bulb that is the prototyper. You can upload a model, you can then match it up with components, and you can buy all that stuff in order to find out what your product will look like when Teleport prints it. And we recommend everybody does this because there's variation. Your machine is not our machine, so it's good to go through and iterate through in order to adjust for Teleport the way you would adjust to a new machine. But within that, there's kind of a thing and a hack inside of there that we've put in there explicitly to make sure that we do a good job that can basically let you get Teleport prototypes for free. And this is the instant refund button. When you go into Teleport and you order a prototype order, that order will then appear in your past completed orders tabs, and right next to it is a cancel refund button. And that cancel refund button will be there forever. And when you click on it, it just says, this is irreversible, this is gonna be a refund, and you say yes. And that's all there is to it. There's no follow-up on it. There's no like, oh, can you refund it, or do we have to approve it? No, you decide if you get a refund. It's honor system. But the reason we do this is so that if we send you a bad part, or a part that is out of spec, or a part that is unreasonable, or run over by a UPS truck, or it's just a pile of knots or something like that, and you don't feel that you learned anything from it, you can get a refund for it. So you can effectively go through the Teleport prototyper, order a prototype. If it's not any good, you can get a refund. You can order another prototype, you can get a refund, and you can order another prototype. We don't recommend doing this a lot because it'll start to raise red flags. If Teleport isn't working for you, it shouldn't work for you, but it protects you so that if you feel that there is an error in the part in some kind of a way, that you can get a refund for it. And the reason we do this is to make sure that we are creating as good of parts as possible all the time for people in all situations. Because we give you our wallet. If you pay us for a part and that part arrives to a customer incorrectly, or arrives to you incorrectly, or whatever seems to be off, you can get a refund for it immediately. So that is one of the tools that we built into Teleport just to keep us honest, because you literally get to make the say on it all. So if you go into Prototyper, you can order a prototype, and then if it's not any good for you, you can instantly get a refund for it. So at least then now you know. And it's effectively our 30-day free trial, but way better because there's no automatic subscription at the end of it all. Have a great day, everybody.